on?
Stuff. I hit about a 4 or 5 inch root. Kind of expected around a 100-year-old tree within 5 feet, but I'm gonna have to chew through that. And then I'll probably run into roots on all the others.
So what do you got going here? You don't have concrete, or?
No, I got to dig holes. The holes got to go down, pretty deep.
Oh.
31 inches for frost line here. So.
Well, there you go.
Yeah. If I could just pick it up, move it to the side, come in with a skid steer and auger, and just throw that horsepower at it. But it only cost me about $300 just to do that. So I won't.
You're not gonna do it? I was just teasing. Anyway, I love you.
Love you too.
Okay.